Rice cultivation in Papua New Guinea is more than just farming. It's a lifeline for our communities and a key to a sustainable future. Imagine lush green fields where local farmers work tirelessly, nurturing the land that feeds us. By embracing rice cultivation, we're not only supporting our farmers, but also promoting food security and economic stability. Rice is a staple food that brings us together, nourishing families and fostering traditions. Investing in sustainable practices means healthier crops and a healthier planet. Let's champion our rice farmers, ensuring they have the tools and resources they need to thrive. Together, we can cultivate a future where rice is not just a crop, but a symbol of resilience and unity. Let's stand with our farmers and celebrate the vital role they play in our lives. Thank you for your time, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.